Hi, hello everyone. Congratulations, Iranian friends. Cyrus Days. Cyrus have a Sasani Iranian king, and Cyrus the Great have a first ruler, first world leader in the world, have a published first human right declaration in the world. And congratulations, happy birthday, Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi, King of Iran, and sister Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi, Princess Ashraf Pahlavi. Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi, his father Reza Shah and Ashraf Pahlavi and Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi have a symbol of modernity, development, industrialization of Iran. Congratulated whole Iranian friends. During the Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi and Reza Shah, during the Pahlavi ruling dynasty, Iran have built many universities, social houses, industrial factories, many success story of Iran connect with Pahlavi family. And Khanım Ashraf Pahlavi, princess of Iran and twin sister of Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi, time to the Ashraf Pahlavi, Iran have a big rule of women rights, also promotion of Iranian cultural heritage. Ashraf Pahlavi, Hanım Ashraf Pahlavi have a make big crucial rule about women rights and Iranian cultural heritage. And congratulations, Iranian friends. And bless your soul, rest of peace, Ashraf Pahlavi, Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi.